In a dense jungle, a mother leopard and her cubs reside, and she teaches them how to protect themselves against other predator. The cubs must learn to quickly adapt to the signs of danger. While the mother leopard goes hunting, a female lion lurking nearby hears the cries of the leopard cub. Upon hearing it, she pounces with ruthless aggression, swiftly ending the cub's life without a shred of mercy. As feed would happen, a method leopard returned to the scene of the tragedy, only to find her precious offspring lying lifeless on the ground. In a cruel twist of fate, the female leopard finds herself based a face with a male lion not long other, accompanied by lions, both of whom raid a relentlessly pursued her. The leopard managed to avoid them by scaling a tree. Of their short time, the lion lost interest and went with their prey to a hunting mission. Soon after, there was one young cub waiting for his mother to return. The cub is oblivious to the imminent danger that was lurking in the shadows. The female leopard has changed upon this cub and seizing the opportunity, hounds on him, showing no mercy. The cub's fate was sealed as the leopard threw into him and began to savagely devour in it, a gruesome and chilling display of retribution. Meanwhile, the pride return and the absence of the cub is felt deeply, and the mother lion mournful cries indicate a sense of losing her son.